Today in my menu is Kadhi Pakodi. Kadhi Pakodi is preferred by everyone in India. Kadhi Pakodi has a very nice creamy yogurt base with some beautiful chickpeas or gram flour fritters. Both the combination are just heavenly, and in this recipe I have shared many tips and tricks to make the perfect Kadhi Pakodi. I just love this version of Kadhi Pakodi. So Su's Food Corner special Kadhi Pakodi. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this awesome recipe. So first I have taken here chickpea flour or besan around half a cup and water around half a cup. So I need to mix them nicely till there are no lumps. So basically I'll prepare this kadhi and pakodi in different stages. This is the preparation for kadhi first. So this is ready, the mixture is perfect, and then curd goes here around 400 grams, little sour curd. Sour curd is preferably best for this recipe. You can keep the packet outside for overnight and that will turn sour. So give it a nice mix. I just want a very nice smooth curd. So once done, now I'll add the chickpea flour or besan mixture into this curd. So very important tip here is that if you want a very smooth and nice creamy yogurt mix, we need to first mix the besan, chickpea flour separately and then add to this curd, and then once it's done I'll add around 1 liter plus 250 ml extra, because the more the curry will cook or that will turn creamier. So this is approximately my measurement. You can adjust according to your choice. So give it a nice mix, and it's completely lump free mixture. It's perfectly done. So it's done. Now next we'll move for the spices and other ingredients. In a small bowl I have taken here 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder and 1 teaspoon of Turmeric Powder. Give it a nice mix and keep it aside. And I have taken here some aromatics. So I have taken here around 15 garlic cloves and 4 to 5 green chilies. Green chilies amount depends upon your taste. 2 tablespoons of water goes in, and now I'll make a very smooth blend. So this is the main taste that you can get from the curry actually, and I love this flavor of garlic and green chilies with sweet a little sour curd. So now in a pan I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil, heated it on medium flame. 2 to 3 dried red chilies goes in, and 1 teaspoon of Panchforon or mixed spices goes in. And once it starts to sputter, I'll add 10 to 15 curry leaves, and then once it's done, it will take around 5 to 10 seconds. I'll lower the temperature to medium, and then I'll add Asafoetida or Heeng around half teaspoon. Give it a mix, and then at first goes the turmeric and the chili paste. Give it a mix till the turmeric and chili paste releases a beautiful color in this oil. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame, and you can see my turmeric and chili paste has released the oil. And now at this stage increase the flame and add the garlic and green chili paste. The moment you add the garlic and green chili paste, you can get a very nice smell because of the garlic and green chili, and this flavor predominantly acts as a very nice medium for the curry. So this is my combination. Do try this combination, you will love it. Punjabi curry is something little different, but this has a very unique flavor. So after roasting the spices with the garlic and green chilies, you can see my cookware is perfect. Nothing has stuck in the bottom. This is a perfect cookware, and I get lot of questions about my cookware. I have given and shared the information in the description box in my cookware section. You can check it out, and this is looking just perfect to me. So at this stage, lower the temperature to lowest and then add the curry water, that the chickpea and curd water goes in. And after adding, increase the temperature to medium high and start stirring it continuously till this mixture starts to boil. So here comes my fourth important tip. Do not ever leave the curry unattended, because then the curd will curdle and our curry won't remain that creamy. The curd will be separate and the whey will be separate. So it's very important. We need to stir it on medium high flame continuously till the curry or the curd mixture starts to boil. So you can see in my video I am continuously stirring it, and believe me, this trick really works wonders. So after 7 to 8 minutes, this is the scenario, the curry has started to boil. So salt here I'll add according to my taste. Here is my fifth important tip. Never add the salt initially. Once it starts to boil, We'll add salt according to our taste, give it a nice mix, and at this stage lower the flame to medium. Cover it 80% with a lid and let it cook on medium flame till we prepare the fritters or the pakodis. So this is it. And for the fritters of the pakodis, I have taken here chickpea flour besan around 1.5 cups, and to it I will add turmeric powder around half a teaspoon. Baking soda goes in around 1 pinch. It's the normal soda or the meetha soda, 1 pinch soda. If you do not want to add soda, you can always add curd, sour curd around half a cup. 1 medium size onion goes in, 2 to 3 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaf goes in. Give everything a mix by adding little bit of water. We basically want a semi thick batter. So here goes my 6th most important tip. When your fritters batter are ready, then we'll add salt. This helps for 2 things. First, my fritters will be crispy and the onions won't be soggy and won't release water. So once my batter is looking perfect, semi thick, it's perfectly done. I had added salt, give it a nice mix, and meanwhile I had kept some oil for deep frying in a kadhi on high flame. So when my batter is ready, the oil is nice hot. So here the oil is ready for deep frying and the batter is ready. Now I will add the pakodis little by little. If you are not used to making pakodi in this way, you can always use a spoon. So here I will add 1 batch of pakodis and do not overcrowd the oil. Add according to your size of the kadhi and the amount of oil. So basically we need to nicely deep fry these fritters, and this would go inside the kadhi. So in high flame I will just deep fry this. The trick here is that we need these fritters to be little more roasted, a little more deep fried, because when we fry them little more, they become more dry, and once an ingredient is little drier, it absorbs liquid more easily. So we need to fry these pakodis a little bit more. You can see the shade of my pakodas, they little bit on darker side, because in this way they will become more dry, and when it will go inside the kadhi, it will easily absorb the liquid and will become heavy, and our pakodis will be perfectly soft in the kadhi. So my fritters are done here, and meanwhile my kadhi has been bubbling on medium high flame for around 15 minutes now, and you can see in my pan the level of the kadhi has reduced. So this is the perfect time to add the pakodis. So as you can see, my kadhi has started to thicken, it is reduced in size. The marking you can see on the side of the pan. This is the perfect timing. So here goes all the pakodis inside this bubbling kadhi, and now at this stage I will reduce the flame to lowest, and now I will wait till this pakodis nicely absorb the kadhi. So give it a mix, and you can adjust salt at this stage. You can check a little bit, because salt plays a very important role in the taste of the kadhi. And now at low flame I will just cover it and leave it for good 5 to 6 minutes, and after 5 to 6 minutes more, you can see the kadhi has become more thicker, more creamier, but the pakodis are still floating on the top of the kadhi. This indicates that the pakodi have not absorbed this kadhi till now. Here one important tip I want to share: if you feel at this stage the kadhi has become more thicker, you can add little bit of water and wait till the pakodis go down in the kadhi, sink in the bottom and they absorb water. But I think it's perfect. I don't need to add any extra water. I'll just leave it covered for around 5 to 4 minutes more on low medium flame, and after 4 to 5 minutes on low medium flame, you see my pakodis have nicely absorbed all the kadhi and they have sunken to the bottom of the kadhi, and beautifully done. My kadhi has become creamier, you can see much creamier and thicker, and the pakodis I'll just show you. So this pakodi is just looking perfect to me, beautifully done. You can see how super soft it is, perfectly done, and it has absorbed all the flavors of the kadhi. See, it's so soft, beautifully done. And then my pakodi kadhi is ready to be served. You can see in my video how lovely creamy this kadhi is looking with perfect pakodis. The structure of the pakodis is intact, yet they are super soft, and I served this kadhi pakodi with some jeera rice, classic combination. I have shared many tips and tricks to make the perfect kadhi. I hope you have liked this recipe, and now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Pooja Lenka. She writes, "Awesome presentation, preparation and explanation. I am a big fan of your channel. All your recipes are just perfect and comes out to be accurate. Thank you so much, Pooja, for your lovely words. I feel so motivated and so nice when I read all your lovely comments. This actually inspires me to make lovely recipes for you all. Stay connected and stay safe. And I hope you have liked my today's recipe. I hope you have liked my video. Do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.